Welcome to our van life with our good dogs, episode 86. We spent the night at Livermore Hip Camp Winery, then head on to Bodega Bay in Northern California to enjoy beach camping with amazing views. Join us on this journey and thank you for watching. Got some wine from Leisure Street. We've been here before. And there's mail.
So it looks like they had tri-tip and then like basically three options. Sean is maybe like one of each.
Yep. Yeah. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. It is Halloween weekend and we are at a hip camp site here at Livermore. Right now Sean is grabbing dinner. He just came back and
all nachos, so gotta eat fast.
okay, so we will eat dinner. I'll show you what we got, and we got some wine also. I'm excited to eat because we haven't eaten since breakfast this morning. So this is
tri-tip nachos and pulled pork nachos.
So they didn't have any burgers or...
No.
Okay, well
Just nachos tonight evidently.
this looks good.
But we have salad and sausage and a whole bunch of other food too. So if you're still hungry, we got plenty of extras.
I think
But
that
let's
should
eat
be
this.
good enough. I think that should be plenty of food.
The band is starting to play. People are arriving, all in costume. We're a little out of place, so we're gonna stay over here in the van. We just need to wipe our hands now.
Yes. Current temperature in the van is 72 degrees right now, so temperature is dropping. I think it's supposed to be around 34 degrees when we go to sleep at night. We have lots of power, so if need be, we can turn the heat on for the dogs. But we also have a blanket, electric blanket to keep us warm at night. And we can use that if it gets too chilly. But I think we should be okay for the night. I'm gonna close up the van, put the rest of the window covers up. Already have the bed situated and enjoying the rest of our wine, and our dinner was delicious. And here are my boys. I miss them so much. We had a rough time doing the video about talking about how Jabba had passed on, and that was very difficult to create that because we missed them so much. They were such a huge part of our lives, and both were 17 years old. Yoda was probably, I think it was 2 to 3 months older than Jabba. So, but Jabba passed on first before Yoda, and we just missed them. Absolutely missed them. We do have 3 chihuahuas we need to show lots of love, especially this new girl here, little Bail Organa. She is about 6 months old. She is a very good girl, has lots to learn. She is really attached to Boba, her sister right here, who is also a really good girl. And then Chewbacca's outside with Sean. Probably can't see her. She's right there. She loves being with Sean everywhere he is. And Chewbacca is absolutely the goodest girl. If you're ever out here in Livermore, in California, this is the winery that we are stopped for the night. Very delicious. And we usually come here when it starts to cool down because Livermore tends to get super hot during the summertime. So now that it's starting to cool down, we will be here more since they do have live bands. Delicious dinner, and right now we're inside the van. It's chilly outside. We're gonna call it for the night and enjoy the rest of what's left of the daylight. We'll probably go up on top of the roof and listen to the band play, and then spend some time with the dogs and enjoy our wine. So we will see you guys in the morning. We do have a long day ahead of us tomorrow. We have a long drive to Bodega Bay.
This Pia doing? Bodega Bay, can't beat this view. We are here on Doran Beach. It's a Sonoma County park, and it's one of multiple here on Bodega Bay. We are right here on the southern tip. This is on the jetty, and we got to book spot 123, which is really quite accessible. Just basically walked over a dune and we are here on the beach. This beach is dog friendly on leashes. And we always are on the lookout for dog friendly beaches to be able to take the pups and have a nice peaceful night. It's really busy though to book. So Fridays and Saturdays are really tough to get here, but it's worth it. And it's a beautiful late October evening. We got here a little bit late. We were doing some other stuff today, running some errands, and it's about sunset now. As you can see behind me, beautiful sunset coming along. A lot of people are enjoying the evening, and we're gonna make some dinner shortly and show you around a little bit more. Here's the end of the jetty. What did you find, babe?
Danger.
Huh?
Danger.
This is the canal into the harbor. Yeah, jetty unsafe for walking. But this is a beautiful spot to have a picnic. Have some bathrooms. Again, this is both day use and camping. And as you can see, the fishermen are coming in right here. Built this jetty out. All the birdies are rolling around, and they're probably going out collecting oysters and all kinds of seafood in this area. Those guys over there were fishing right off the jetty. Super beautiful spot. I personally love these areas near the ocean, lakes or oceans. How about you, Pia?
I love it out here.
So peaceful.
The dogs love it out here.
Yeah, the pups love having a little walkies on the beach, and such a cool spot to be able to hang out. This is about an hour north of San Francisco and not too far away from most parts of the Bay Area, especially driving on a weekend when you don't have to hit traffic. Any first impressions?
Yeah, I wish we were staying more than one night.
Yeah, next time we're gonna have to book a little bit further out. I booked this spot about a week and a half ago, just one Sunday night, but definitely more open on the weekdays rather than the weekends. Beach routine. This is why you don't wear Crocs at the beach. Let's hopefully get a little bit more veggies in there. I think the Bo wants more. Hey, Bo. The Bo's still hungry.
Sean is making chicken adobo. Is it chicken?
And pork.
Chicken pork adobo. Look at our view outside.
This is cooking with a view.
Cooking with a view. So I don't know if many people allow their dogs to sleep on the bed with them, especially when you're camping. But our girls and the two boys, Yoda and Jabba, had always slept on the bed with us. And before, when Jabba got really sick with his heart failure and he was on furosemide Lasix, which is a water pill that helps his blood pressure and get fluids off his lungs, I started putting him on diapers so that he can still sleep on the bed with us. And now that Chewbacca has heart failure, she is going through the same thing where she's taking furosemide Lasix to get the water off her lungs. And because with Lasix, it makes you pee a lot, it makes you very thirsty as a result, so she has a hard time controlling her bladder now. So we got her some diapers and we started having her sleep on her own bed, but sometimes it's really hard to separate the dogs from how they're used to sleeping next to us.
All right, time to eat. Who's ready to eat? Say good morning to Bodega Bay. Morning at Bodega Bay, right outside our campsite. How'd you like to wake up to this view? Doggies are getting used to the ocean here. That's a lot.